Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today we will continue with the Dragon Ball GT custom drawing series for Marcos. This is A2 size drawing number 4 for him, and today we will create an epic Baby Vegeta drawing. I had a great idea for that by drawing Baby Vegeta full body in front, charging energy balls in both hands, and the Oozaru version of him large in the back. Same as for this Goku Super Saiyan 4 drawing, which was also made for Marcos. It's been a very long time since I drew Baby Vegeta, so I was looking forward to this. Now let's get right into the drawing process, and if you're also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram or email, and now let's go. Alright guys, there we have the final result, and I think this one turned out great. I love baby Vegeta in front, the pose is really cool with the energy balls in each hand. He looks badass, and also Oozaru looks amazing. I gave this drawing the inking style with the black shades, which took a lot of time on this A2 size paper. A lot of markers died for this drawing as it's a full color piece, and as you know, I'm coloring very even with multiple layers, so I'm sure after the 10 A2 size custom drawings for Marcos, I will need new markers. Anyways, Marcos is very happy with drawing number 4, and soon we will start with the 5th drawing. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will upload this drawing uncut and in full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps easy if you want to draw these drawings yourself. So subscribe to my real-time channel as well. Check out my online shop for original drawings and prints, and for commissions message me on Instagram or email. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video just like today. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next